This is going to be a surprise. Hopefully the guy get in contact with me. Hopefully he get in contact with me and everything runs smooth. If it runs smooth, then you guys will see a new project on the channel. So stay tuned in about an hour or 2 hours. So I will see you guys in the next clip. All right, taking a little detour. Before I go pick up the car, look at the Escalade right there. Off of State Road 64 by the racetrack, Bradenton Motorsport. Yes, I love my town. What? Damn, they got some flowers. This looks dead. Here it is, the new big project. And this is the biggest one, other than my Buick that I had when it was right in the back. I think this is the biggest project I ever had. So what I want to do is like wash it and etc. so I can have a clean slate. But believe it or not, this is my second other dream car. I love Lincoln Town cars. They are beautiful cars. Let's have that, which isn't bad. It's pretty clean inside. I'm definitely gonna be using my shampoo, the new shampoo that I had got. And I had to do a lot of errands. Well, errands this morning. I had to go get the title from DMV. That is secure. So what I'm gonna have to do is move this and pull this up in my parking spot. And what I want to do is wash it. Maybe I should pull it to the front of the yard. But after I wash it, we're gonna go over the damage. So I'll see you in a minute. All right, so we're on a clean slate, sort of. Still got to go over it, but not. Oh, and the air suspension works, which is good. But first thing I want to tackle is that check engine light, and then we're gonna go over the damage right here. So let me do the check engine light and see what's going on with that. Whew, okay, just got done checking the codes. One of the codes is for the evap. Probably got to do something with this, or the fuel cap. The other code is the fuel level sensor, and it's the third one that is unknown. So I'm gonna look into it. But so now let's look into the damage. One thing I want to address is this door. I don't want to mess up the door anymore. So what I might do is take off this fender right here, if I know how to. Take the fender off. But it didn't hit the the frame, which is good. It only hit this cross member right here. I got frame bent right there, but I can probably take that out with a come along or my a tree. Hook something up to it and use a tree. So I don't know if I can. I'm gonna try to get this hood open at least. So I try that, and I don't want to damage the radiator. So I'm gonna try these bolts right here out and just flip it forward, and we'll see. All right, so, whew. Whew. I can pull this. All right, so that wasn't too bad. I had to twist the hood off of the hinges, but now we got a better view of the damage, the damage. So it's not bad as I think, because you got the core support thing right here, which I'm gonna have to replace. You do have the headlight holder right here, which is broken. The frame. All right, back on this. I was rudely interrupted, but okay. I was looking at something. But oh, radiator cracked. So I need a new radiator. Ooh, good thing I didn't buy this car a long way. Radiator's cracked. Core support, cross member, whatever you want to call it, is bent because it's supposed to be sitting right there. This part right here of this fender well, whatever you want to call it, is bent. So I'm gonna bend that back out. What I'm gonna do is take everything off the front. I'll take this fender off and see what else. So I had to go over it, make sure nothing ain't shifted, which it doesn't look like it did shift it, which is a good sign. So take these off. What that other bolt that I just had? But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get a new radiator. Let me just take these off. You know how to work an iPhone, don't you? Mm-hmm. I don't have my tripod, so I got you as a tripod for me. So I got my cousins right here. What y'all said? They don't want to be on camera, so what y'all said?
That light.
What about it?
Why is it that far?
Because it was hit.
Is
So,
it really?
yep. So, as I was saying, you guys, luckily that this right here is a separate piece from the frame of the car. So I can take this off separately, take the headlights off separately, and probably pull this out with the tree, and then see where we go.
More than a tree.
What?
Go break that tree.
You funny. So yeah, I'm just taking off the front end right now. So yeah.
Why the paint chipping like that?
Because it was hit.
Why they hit it that hard?
Somebody backed into it, I suppose.
They can drive.
Sure can't.
What?
They can drive.
Yeah, funny. All right, so I got the headlight out right there. So now, in order to take this whole front piece right here off, I'm just gonna have to take these off. walking, they can. All right, so you get the picture. We're gonna try. Tell me if it like. So I think I did all this for nothing, but it was interesting and entertaining to do. But I just realized that me trying to pull this out was a waste of time when this bent fender is one big fender. So all I have to do is replace this whole fender, replace the core support, because you see it bent right there. I thought that was part of the frame. Apparently not. This whole thing is the fender. Good thing that it is. So all I have to do is replace the fender. So I'm gonna have to finish unhooking those bolts over there. Take out the core support. I'm debating on this fender over here. I don't know about this one because this is like this, but there's nothing bent or anything like shifted or anything, which is good. So I think it just, I investigate that off camera, but I'm gonna have to go and charge up my battery. My iPhone is about dead. This is something I'm recording with. So I'm gonna do most of this stuff off camera, and then I'm gonna get back with you guys. So see you in the next clip. Oh, I got it off. And good news, great, excellent, amazing news. Frame isn't bent. This one whole piece right here was broke. Was dented in. Hold that, please, and thank you. As you can see, that is part of the whole frame right here. And that is part of the fender, all in one. Meaning, we're on a good start. It's just this side right here. When I'm replace this side, I'm gonna have to take all this off. That sucks. Really, not really, because all I have to do is do the unfasten, which is unfastening just the little clips and stuff for the fender that is pressed into the fender. Like this right here is the same side over here as the driver's side. Then all I have to do, take the cross member off, remove the battery, cross member, new radiator. Those are the kids in the background. So when you got cousins in your videos talking, you just can't help it. You just got to keep on going. But great news, car is in 80% good condition. The windshield is cracked. That bin right there. Do have to get this done. This piece of rust spot right there I'm gonna get fixed. The bumper in the back is pretty good. I'll just probably get another bumper the same color or get it resprayed. Gonna see what my my local Econo, I don't know if they can do that, like fix all this spots right here. But overall, the interior clean. Interior pretty clean. I'm just gonna shampoo it, etc., etc. So I got a parts list that I'm gonna have to do. So yeah, this video right here was crazy. It wasn't crazy, it was just time consuming and stuff. I had to get up early, get the title done. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. I'm sorry I'm cutting off the video. Usually in certain videos I'll do do the whole front end, but I have to actually get some parts. I'm going to order her radiator for the Escalade, so you might see a video on that. gonna have to do a fuel pump on the Suburban back there. So this isn't gonna be a hold video. Like, I'm not holding it off onto this car. I'm just getting like priorities first. Cars that's already on the road, insured and everything. Those gotta come first because I gotta keep them on the road. And then in between those, I'm gonna be ordering parts for this car. And my local LKQ do have a car, same color, that I'm gonna go get the parts off of. I'm gonna just buy new headlights off of eBay, new. But overall, the body of the car is decent condition, and I love it. So what I'm gonna do is move it back into my parking spot, and yeah. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is my dream car. One of my dream car. My dream car was a BMW 745. But this is my other dream car right here. Is a Lincoln Town car. My mom had one, and she had a 97, brand new off the lot, brand new Lincoln Town car, burgundy, clean car. So I'm glad we're bringing this. And she had a Grand Marquis. And my auntie, the one with the Escalade, she had a Grand Marquis, a gray one. I don't know if you guys remember that one, but glad to put the Panther platform back in the family. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next video. I don't know which video it will be. I don't know if we're gonna be on this or the Escalade. So see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.